Hey girls.
Hi. Hi.
Where are we? What are we doing?
We are in Bayfield doing a 4th of July run.
Woo!
Firecracker 5K. Wait, look at our outfits. Yeah.
So what's the plan? Are you just going to race it wire to wire, or is this a workout, or what?
It's a workout, and we're going to do it together. Yes.
And what are you wearing?
Oh, me? I'm wearing Saucony Kinvara 12.
And Bryn?
Saucony Speed Track 9s, I think. Woo!
We love these.
And Daddy is rocking the new Sketcher Max Road 5, baby. Oh yeah, happy 4th to you and yours. Nama. A few moments later. God, it starts. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the light from above. A few moments earlier. Hey Dee, where are we? What are we doing?
Hello. So we are up here at Red Mountain Summit. Right here above Silverton is over there. You're right, and Telluride is over the mountains behind my shoulder. Yeah.
How you're 8 days out from your Kendall Mountain race. We're almost 13,000 feet here. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Yes, it was hard, and of course we pushed it a little bit because we got to get the legs ready, but I am feeling really good and I am very excited.
All right. Beautiful. How blessed are we?
So blessed.
I'm thinking people should get out and do so as to be.
Oh my gosh, so my dad just saw something up there. Animals on the ridgeline. They look like foxes or coyotes, I don't know. Oh my gosh.
We'll see if we can look down on them on McMillan. It's a big animal. It could be moose, actually, because you can't see. That's not a deer. I wish I could zoom in, Sangha, but I can't. They're right on that. Maybe Dewa will get her iPhone out and then she'll zoom in. I think our moose speculation is right. Look at Sangha. That there is a moose track. That is very cool. Moose this high above timberline. What do you think, Dave?
This is incredible. Nature's so cool.
Kind of thinking there's a pretty spicy little single track above that snow, and then gain the shoulder over to that. How does that feel?
Sounds great.
Okay.
We should be up in about 15 minutes.
Okay. Let's do it. the next day. Hey girls,
Hi.
where are we? What are we doing?
We are in Bayfield doing a 4th of July run.
Woo!
Firecracker 5K.
Wait, look at our outfits. Yeah.
So what's the plan? Are you just going to race it wire to wire, or is this a workout, or what?
It's a workout, and we're gonna do it together.
Yes.
And what are you wearing?
Oh, me? I'm wearing Saucony Kinvara 12.
And Bryn?
Saucony Speed Track 9s, I think.
Woo! We love these.
And Daddy is rocking the new Sketcher Max Road 5, baby. Oh yeah, happy 4th to you and yours. Nama.
Awesome.
Thanks for keeping me honest.
Oh man, I was following your blue the whole way.
Team BrynWa, you hold hands over the finish line for the win. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm a little disappointed in our pacing because we did like a really bad job pacing.
Yeah, we
our
did.
first mile was like a 6:40, and we ended up getting a 23-minute 5K, which is like a 7:30. So
Yeah, I feel okay. Like, that was really hard, though.
You
Just 'cause of
climbed,
this heat.
you ran two 12,000-foot peaks yesterday.
Yeah,
How
we
do you
also
like-
have to take that into consideration.
Yeah.
My legs actually felt pretty fast. My hips hurt a little bit.
because you ran peaks, I ran 8 miles today. Isn't as impressive, but it was uphill.
Yeah.
But you guys are pros.
Congratulations.
You
Good
are
job,
too.
Team BrynWa.
Oh, thank you. That was like tempo, but that final part was race pace because I was just dying. So you actually got third.
So, Team BrynWa and Old Man Ill go 1, 2, 3 at the Bayfield. Don't overdid it. Do you think we overdid it?
No.
Okay.
Our first lap we overdid it.
Yeah, we
Fine.
definitely did it. And I just felt that for the rest of the...
Thanks for watching. Get out and do.
Woo! So as to be.
Yay.